The Earth, our home. We see the sun, moon, and the stars in the sky. They are called heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. There are also 8 planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The Sun and the 8 planets together form the solar system. Tidbits. Till 2016, the solar system was considered to have 9 planets, not 8. The 9th planet was Pluto. Scientists then announced that planet Pluto was too small to be called a planet. It is now called a dwarf planet. All planets travel around the Sun in oval paths called orbits at different distances from the Sun. They travel in the same direction but at different speeds, so they do not collide with each other. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, while Jupiter is the largest. Venus is the brightest planet. In the solar system, only the Sun has its own light. It is the main source of heat and energy on the Earth. None of the other planets has its own light. All planets reflect the light of the Sun. The Earth, a living planet. The Earth is the home of all living beings, including plants, animals, and human beings. No other planet in the solar system has life on it. Let us learn more about the Earth. Shape of the Earth. Long ago, people thought that the Earth was flat. They feared that if a person traveled far enough, he or she would fall off the edge of the Earth. In 1519, an explorer named Ferdinand Magellan and his companions set sail from Spain on a voyage. They kept on sailing in only one direction. After 3 years, one of his ships came back to Spain. The ship had actually circled the Earth without falling off the edge. This made scientists believe that the Earth was round and not flat. In 1969, American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin landed on the moon. They took many photographs of the Earth from the moon. All these photographs also show that the Earth is round in shape. Observe carefully the image of the Earth shown here. You will notice that its shape is not a perfect circle. Its shape is more like an orange. It is a bit flat at the top and at the bottom. The top flat point is known as the North Pole. The bottom flat point is the South Pole. Also notice that the middle of the Earth sticks out a little. An imaginary line called the equator passes through the middle of the east. It divides the Earth into 2 equal parts. Surface of the Earth. The Earth is made up of land and water. About 3/4 surface of it is water and the remaining 1/4 is land. The Earth looks blue from the space because its major part is covered with water. The Earth is, therefore, sometimes called the blue planet. The Earth has a thick layer of air all around it. This is called the atmosphere. Water and air make life possible on the earth. If you stand on the top of a high building, you can see the sky and the land or sea meeting at a distance, but in real, they do not meet. The place where the sky and the land seem to meet is called the horizon. The place where the land and the sea meet is called the coast. The earth has many features like the mountains, hills, valleys, deserts, plains, rivers, lakes, waterfalls, seas, and the oceans. The earth is our beautiful home. We should take care of it. Keywords: oval, shaped like an egg. Voyage, a long journey by sea. Quick bites. There are 8 planets in the solar system. The earth is round in shape. It is a little flat at the top and bottom. The earth's surface is made up of land and water. The earth is sometimes called the blue planet. The thick layer of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. The earth is the only planet which has life on it. We should take care of the earth.